In today's video, I'm going to give you a Hostinger tutorial for beginners. If you find this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing, and let's get right into it. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Hostinger website. Once the page loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of the home page where you'll find the login option. Click on the login button to proceed to the authentication page. On the login page, you'll see several options for signing in. Among these, locate and click on the Google icon. This allows you to use your existing Google account to access Hostinger, simplifying the login process by leveraging your Google credentials. After clicking the Google icon, a new window will appear prompting you to choose your Google account. Select the account you wish to use for Hostinger and proceed by following the on-screen instructions. If prompted, enter your Google account password and any necessary verification codes to complete the login process securely. Once you've successfully logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the Hostinger dashboard. In the top left corner of the screen, you'll notice the Hostinger logo. This serves as a quick way to return to the main dashboard from any other section within your account. Shifting your focus to the top right corner, you'll see a series of icons and options. Here you'll find a referral banner that highlights any current promotions or referral programs Hostinger is offering. Additionally, there is a notifications icon that alerts you to any important updates or messages related to your account. The support center icon provides access to customer support resources, and finally your account profile icon allows you to manage your personal information and account settings. Moving to the left side of the screen, you'll encounter the main menu panel. This panel is your gateway to all the features and services Hostinger offers. The menu is intuitively organized, making it easy to navigate through different sections without feeling overwhelmed. Within the main menu, you have access to several key areas, including home, websites, domains, emails, VPS, dark web monitoring, billing, and marketplace. Each of these sections serves a specific purpose, providing you with the tools you need to manage your web presence effectively. Click on the Home option to view your personalized dashboard. The dashboard is a comprehensive overview of your Hostinger account, displaying important information such as your current hosting plan, recent activities, and quick access links to frequently used features. Here, you can also perform tasks like searching for new domains or managing existing ones, all from a centralized location. Next, select the Websites option to view a list of all the websites you've hosted with Hostinger. This section organizes your websites, allowing you to manage each one individually. Whether you're running a personal blog, an e-commerce store, or a portfolio site, you can easily access and control your web hosting settings from this list. Within the website section, you'll find two distinct tabs, web hosting and cloud hosting. The web hosting tab is designed for traditional hosting needs, offering various plans tailored to different types of websites. In contrast, the cloud hosting tab caters to more advanced requirements, providing scalable resources for websites that demand higher performance and reliability. To begin setting up a traditional web hosting service, click on the web hosting tab. Here you'll see a range of hosting plans available, each with different features and pricing options. Carefully evaluate each plan to determine which one best suits your website's needs, considering factors like storage space, bandwidth, and additional services. Once you've made your selection, follow the prompts to start your web hosting setup. If your website requires more robust performance, navigate to the Cloud Hosting tab. Similar to the web hosting section, you'll find several cloud hosting plans tailored to different requirements. These plans offer enhanced performance, scalability, and flexibility, making them ideal for larger websites or those expecting significant traffic. Choose the plan that aligns with your needs and proceed to set up your cloud hosting environment. After managing your hosting services, click on the Domains option to access all domain-related features. This section is dedicated to managing your domain names, whether you're purchasing new ones, transferring existing domains, or organizing your domain portfolio. Domains are a critical aspect of your online presence, and Hostinger provides comprehensive tools to handle them efficiently. Within the domain section, you'll find three primary subcategories: domain portfolio, get new domain, and transfers. Each subcategory serves a unique function, ensuring that you can easily manage every aspect of your domain usage. Start by clicking on Domain Portfolio to view all the domains you have purchased through Hostinger. This portfolio provides a consolidated view of your domain names, allowing you to manage settings, renewals, and DNS configurations from one place. Keeping track of your domains is crucial for maintaining a professional online presence and ensuring that your websites remain accessible. If you're looking to acquire a new domain, navigate to the Get New Domain subcategory. Here you can search for available domain names that align with your brand or personal preference. Hostinger offers a user-friendly search tool that helps you find the perfect domain by checking availability and suggesting alternatives if your desired name is already taken. Additionally, you can take advantage of Hostinger's domain registration services to purchase and secure your new domain seamlessly. Hostinger also provides an innovative feature that leverages artificial intelligence to help generate domain name suggestions. By utilizing AI, you can receive creative and relevant domain ideas tailored to your specific needs, making the process of finding the perfect domain name both efficient and enjoyable. For those looking to transfer their existing domains to Hostinger, select the Transfers subcategory. Transferring your domain is a straightforward process that involves entering your current domain name and initiating the transfer. Hostinger's transfer process ensures that your domain remains active and that all your settings are preserved, providing a smooth transition to their platform without any downtime. After managing your domains, click on the emails option to explore your email plan. Hostinger offers robust email services that allow you to create professional email addresses using your domain name. Whether you need a single email account for personal use or multiple accounts for a business, Hostinger provides flexible plans to accommodate your requirements. Within the email section, you can choose from various plans and pricing periods. Evaluate the features of each email plan, such as storage capacity, number of email accounts, and additional functionalities like spam protection and email forwarding. Selecting the right plan ensures that your email communications are reliable and professional, enhancing your overall online presence. Next, click on the VPS option to view your virtual private server. VPS hosting offers a higher level of performance and control compared to standard web hosting. It's ideal for websites that require more resources, greater security, and the ability to customize server settings to meet specific needs. In the VPS section, you can set up your virtual server for various purposes, such as building applications, hosting websites, or even playing games. Hostinger provides detailed instructions and support to help you configure your VPS correctly, ensuring that it operates efficiently and meets your performance expectations. For those concerned about security, click on the Dark Web Monitoring option to access this feature within Hostinger. Dark web monitoring helps protect your personal and business information by scanning the dark web for any signs of compromised data associated with your account. Within the dark web monitoring section, you have the option to toggle the feature on or off. Turning it on enables continuous monitoring, allowing you to receive alerts if any of your sensitive information is detected on the dark web. This proactive approach helps you take immediate action to secure your accounts and prevent potential security breaches. To manage your financial transactions, click on the billing option to access your billing features. The billing section provides comprehensive tools for handling all aspects of your payments and subscriptions with Hostinger. Inside the billing section, you'll find several subcategories including subscription, payment history, and payment methods. Each subcategory offers specific functionalities to help you manage your account's financial aspects effectively. Start by clicking on subscriptions to view all your active subscriptions. This overview allows you to keep track of your current hosting plans, renewals, and any ongoing promotions or discounts. Managing your subscriptions ensures that your services remain uninterrupted and that you're always aware of upcoming charges. Next, select Payment History to review all your past transactions. This includes detailed records of your purchases, payments, and any refunds you may have received. Keeping an eye on your payment history helps you maintain accurate financial records and identify any discrepancies promptly. Finally, click on Payment Methods to view and manage all the payment options linked to your account. Here you can add new payment methods, remove outdated ones, view your current balance, or enroll in a new payment option. Keeping your payment information up to date ensures that your transactions are processed smoothly and without delay. After managing your billing, click on the Marketplace option to explore the Hostinger Marketplace. The Marketplace is a hub for additional products and services that can enhance your web hosting experience. Whether you're looking for plugins, themes, or other digital tools, the Marketplace offers a wide range of options to choose from. Within the Marketplace, you'll find several subcategories, including all products, hosting, domains, emails, services, and others. Each subcategory organizes products and services into logical groups, making it easier to find exactly what you need to optimize your website and hosting environment. Browse through the All Products subcategory to view a comprehensive list of all available offerings. This section provides an overview of every product and service Hostinger provides, allowing you to explore various options without any restrictions. If you're specifically interested in enhancing your hosting capabilities, click on the Hosting subcategory. Here you can find additional hosting services, upgrades, and specialized hosting solutions tailored to different types of websites and usage scenarios. For domain-related enhancements, select the Domain subcategory. This section offers tools and services to further manage and optimize your domain names, including privacy protection, DNS management, and domain extensions. The email subcategory within the marketplace provides additional email services and tools designed to enhance your email communication. Whether you need advanced email marketing solutions or enhanced security features, this section has you covered. Under the Services subcategory, you can discover a variety of professional services that can help you build, maintain, and grow your online presence. From website design assistance to SEO optimization services, the options available here are designed to support your specific needs. The Others subcategory includes miscellaneous products and services that don't fit neatly into the other categories, but still offer valuable benefits for your hosting experience. Exploring this section can uncover hidden gems that might perfectly suit your unique requirements. At the bottom of the marketplace, you'll find the account sharing option. This feature allows you to grant and request access to your Hostinger account, making it easier to collaborate with team members or share administrative privileges with trusted individuals. Within the account sharing section, you can manage permissions and control who has access to different parts of your account. Granting access responsibly ensures that your account remains secure while enabling effective collaboration and management. By following these steps, you can effectively navigate and utilize the full range of Hostinger's features and services. Each section of the Hostinger dashboard is designed to provide you with the tools you need to create, manage, and optimize your online presence, whether you're a beginner or an experienced user. As you become more familiar with the Hostinger interface, you'll find that managing your websites, domains, emails, and other services becomes an intuitive and streamlined process. Hostinger's comprehensive platform is built to support your growth, offering scalable solutions that grow with your needs. When setting up your web hosting, consider the specific requirements of your website. Factors such as expected traffic, the complexity of your site, and your budget will influence the best hosting plan for you. Hostinger's variety of plans ensures that you can find an option that balances performance and cost effectively. Utilizing the domain portfolio feature allows you to keep your domains organized, making it easier to manage multiple websites or projects. Regularly reviewing your domain portfolio helps you maintain control over your online assets and ensures that your domains remain current and secure. When purchasing new domains, take advantage of the AI-powered domain generator to discover creative and relevant names tailored to your brand or personal preferences. This tool can save you time and inspire unique domain ideas that you might not have considered otherwise. Transferring your domains to Hostinger is a straightforward process that consolidates your web presence under one platform. This centralization simplifies management and ensures that all your services interact seamlessly, providing a cohesive and efficient workflow. Managing your email plans through Hostinger ensures that your communications remain professional and reliable. With flexible plans and robust features, you can tailor your email services to meet your personal or business needs, enhancing your overall online effectiveness. Setting up a VPS with Hostinger provides you with the power and flexibility required for more demanding applications. Whether you're developing a complex web application, hosting a high-traffic website, or seeking enhanced security, a VPS offers the resources and control necessary to achieve your goals. Enabling dark web monitoring adds an extra layer of security to your account, helping you stay informed about potential threats to your personal and business information. This proactive measure safeguards your data and ensures that you can respond swiftly to any security concerns. Managing your billing and subscriptions through Hostinger's billing section keeps your financials transparent and organized. Regularly reviewing your subscriptions and payment history enables you to stay on top of your expenses and make informed decisions about your hosting services. Exploring the Hostinger marketplace opens up a world of additional tools and services that can enhance your website's functionality and performance. From essential plugins to advanced marketing tools, the marketplace provides resources that can help you optimize every aspect of your online presence. Account sharing is a valuable feature for those who collaborate with others on their websites or projects. By managing access permissions carefully, you can ensure that your account remains secure while enabling effective teamwork and collaboration. Throughout your journey with Hostinger, make use of the support center whenever you encounter challenges or have questions. Hostinger's customer support team is available to assist you, providing the guidance and solutions you need to overcome any obstacles. By leveraging each of these features and understanding how they interconnect, you can fully harness the power of Hostinger's platform. Whether you're building a simple blog or managing a complex online business, Hostinger provides the tools and support necessary to succeed in the digital landscape. Remember to regularly update your account information, review your hosting plans, and explore new features as they become available. Staying proactive in managing your Hostinger account ensures that your websites remain secure, performant, and aligned with your evolving needs. As you become more adept at navigating Hostinger's interface, you'll find that maintaining and expanding your online presence becomes an effortless and rewarding experience. Hostinger's intuitive design and comprehensive feature set are designed to support your growth, providing a solid foundation for your digital endeavors. Embrace the full capabilities of Hostinger by exploring each section thoroughly, experimenting with different features, and customizing your settings to suit your unique requirements. With dedication and understanding, Hostinger can be a powerful ally in your journey to establish and grow your online presence. Whether you're a beginner just getting started or an experienced user looking to optimize your web hosting experience, Hostinger offers a versatile and user-friendly platform that adapts to your needs. Take advantage of the detailed tools and resources available to achieve your online goals efficiently and effectively. By following these comprehensive steps and utilizing the rich array of features Hostinger provides, you can create a robust, secure, and high-performing online presence that stands out in the competitive digital landscape. Hostinger's commitment to quality and user satisfaction ensures that you have the support and resources necessary to thrive in your online endeavors.